The NGTEKO portable 16-inch monitor is one of those sleek, grab-and-go displays that just makes life easier. Thanks to the brand for sending this to me for my review. Whether you're gaming, working remotely, or just want an extra screen for YouTube while you multitask, this ultra-slim 1200p IPS panel holds up well. The colors are vibrant, the viewing angles are wide, and it's super convenient to set up. Just plug it in via USB-C or HDMI and you're good to go. It works flawlessly with laptops, phones, Macs, and even gaming consoles like the Switch or PS4. The smart cover stand is a nice bonus too, giving it a clean, minimalist vibe on your desk or table. One downside I would say though is the built-in speakers. They're passable for casual use, but definitely not the best if you're after rich or booming sound. This monitor checks a lot of boxes for style, function, and portability. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. And hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.